Do you have trouble self-soothing? Self-soothing mechanisms are so important because they help us to calm the nervous system down, especially when we feel activated or triggered. So one of the first things to think about is our five senses and what kind of sensory soothing techniques we could have. So if we think about touch, so the idea of maybe a weighted blanket, a pet holding a hot cup of tea, this all is about touch. Smell, the idea of a certain smell that I might evoke soothing memories. For example, it can be lavender, it can be almond oil, it can be anything that has an association of a happy memory for you, maybe from your childhood. Sight, the idea of looking at a photograph of loved ones or a picture or something that evokes safety when you look at it. I think also sound, often people listen to music, they calm down to music, so there might be certain pieces of music that help you or soothe you, or sounds. And I think lastly, taste. So like hot chocolate with marshmallows is so often an evoked memory, or like Earl Grey tea or a certain type of tea. So you can use the five senses to build that in. And in addition, you could do breathing, you could do journaling, you could do self-talk. So it's really important to think about how to create this self-soothing. And sometimes it's really important, if you are having a lot of stress and trauma, to create a self-soothing box where you can put some of these things so they're easily accessible to you.